Jai Hind to all. So, today again I am delivering a lecture. Myself Dr. Nilesh Kumar Gupta. I am working as a professor at Ajay Kumar Garg Engineering College, Ghaziabad in Department of ECE. So, today I will deliver a lecture for block course, that is the part 1. And I have taken this title, this topic from your AKTU subject, that is Information Theory and Coding. Its AKTU code is KEC 075. So, in today's lecture I will tell you about the block course. We will start now block course. So, now I am starting the coding part of your subject, that is Information Theory and Coding. Your first 3 units concentrate on generally on information theory, and last 2 units only based upon the coding. So, I am starting today from the block course. Okay. So, in this lecture I will give about the block course, its basic concept and so on. So, let us recall first. In last lecture I told you about the channel capacity theorem, that is Shannon's theorem, Shannon-Hartley law, that defined the capacity of the channel in terms of channel bandwidth and signal to noise ratio. Then also I discussed about some trade off between the parameters of channel, that comes in the formula of channel capacity theorem, that I told you clearly in my last lecture. So, today we will start our what? Block course. So, in block course if we start, so some introduction is necessary. In 1948 Shannon is very much responsible for so much contribution for our communication system, Shannon's. ओके तो शैनन का जो नाम है वो कम्युनिकेशन सबसे ऊपर आता है रियली, इंफॉर्मेशन थ्योरी एंड कोडिंग एंड इन टर्म्स ऑफ communication, reliable transmission over the communication channel, all generally started and given and discovered by Shannon. So, in 1948 Shannon suggested that proper encoding of information in any digital communication or storage system will lead to substantial increase in the noise immunity of the system without affecting the rate of information transmission and storage. So, 1948 में शैनन ने ऐसा बताया. So, communication channel used for transmission generally noisy, noiseless होना possible नहीं है. You can minimize the noise, it should be minimal, but noiseless होना मुश्किल. So, generally it is noisy. We can say that being transmitted through a channel are always prone or interference and noise. So, we can minimize that, we can minimize the error in digital communication by the some extent. So, if you are not including redundancy, then receiver will not be able to check the correctness of transmission. So, also redundancy is required in communication channel, otherwise receiver will not be able to whether the data is correct or not, that Shannon suggested. And concept of block code error detection and correction came, because in block code and convolution code and so many codes of information theory and coding, generally our task is what? To achieve error controlling codes. Error controlling codes means at first you have to detect the error, after detection the error you can correct that error. तो इसलिए हम ब्लॉक कोड ये सब चीज़ पढ़ेंगे. तो मान लो let we have transmitted k bits symbol message out of 2 to the power k possible information symbol. So, k bits की information है जो possible 2 to the power k information total symbol में हो सकती है, उसे हम ट्रांसमिट हमने किया है. if check bits, redundant or parity bits you can say, if these are not included in this check bits, sorry, in this input bits, then receiver will not able to recognize and identify whether the your transmitted data at the receiver is correct or not. So, error will be there. If I am not able to recognize, I am not able to identify to something, so its accuracy and correctness will not be possible. So, there is a need to add check bits or redundant bits in input bits to check the accuracy of the signal, correctness of the signal that we transmitted from the transmitter. तो शेन साहब ने इसकी जरूरत बताई. So, to overcome this problem, some redundant bits are included to the message bits at the input, so that we can achieve the some error detection and correction. Okay. So, error, and if we detect and correct the error, then error control coding will be possible, and that assures reliability in the system. System reliability assure करेगी, सीधी सी बात है. Now, types of codes. So, generally in data communication you studied about the codes. So, there are, we can categorize or we can classify in terms of two types, like in terms of ARQ, in terms of FEC. So, in group 1 code in which probability of error during the transmission is so less that retransmission of those erroneous frames would be a better choice, and these codes are error detection codes and categorized as a automatic repeat request signal, ARQ. In group 2, your receiver is capable enough to detect and correct the error if present. Error ना हो ऐसा भी कभी नहीं होगा. Okay. Such system are called forward error correction. So, in this way we can categorize our codes into these two classification in terms of request form, like ARQ and FEC. So, generally, but we discuss what about the block codes and convolution codes, and similarly further I will tell you. So, in digital communication channel, if we see digital communication, so we know this is the block diagram of digital communication channel. So, earlier in the 3 units what we discuss, यहाँ तक हम पढ़ चुके हैं पूरा. इन्फॉर्मेशन क्या है, एंट्रोपी क्या है, सोर्स से इन्फॉर्मेशन जाती दैट इट विल गो सोर्स एनकोडर, सोर्स एनकोडिंग मेथड बहुत सारी पढ़ ली, देन चैनल की तरफ हम आ गए हैं. अब हम चैनल एनकोडर डिकोडर की बात करेंगे, जहाँ पे हमें करना क्या, एरर कंट्रोलिंग task can be achieved. Error controlling means either you can detect the error or correct the error. ये आपको काम यहाँ पे करना है और ये हमें पढ़ना है. तो जनरली इन डिजिटल कम्युनिकेशन में ये दो ही हमारे मेन पार्ट जो आ गए हैं. एक इट ट्रांसमीटर साइड सोर्स एनकोडर एंड चैनल एनकोडर, एंड रिसीवर साइड सोर्स डिकोडर एंड चैनल डिकोडर. तो नाउ वी हैव टू कंसंट्रेट ऑन दिस एंड दिस only and only for error controlling task, whether you can detect and correct the or nahi, detect and correct the errors. So, at first you need to detect the error, whether the error is present or not, in how many number of bits error is present, then you can correct those errors. Okay. Now, in this diagram what earlier in the starting whenever I started this subject, so also I told that time also this block diagram of digital communication system. In this, if an information source provides the information in either a digital or analog form to the system, information can be of message or data from some other system or person. then it will go to source encoder that generates a binary signal, because we are discussing digital communication. So, our information will go in terms of digital form, in 1-0 form, binary form, always. That gives the efficient representation of source information. After the source encoder, it will go to channel encoder. Now, channel encoder, what it does? It carries out error control coding, that I am telling again and again. Error control coding, this one, in which you can detect and correct the error present in your digital data. For the purpose of protecting information against the errors incurred as it progresses through the noisy channel. काय के लिए ये? To protect the data from the error. यदि डेटा में एरर होगा तो हमारा डेटा काम का है ही नहीं. If I am transmitting here a message of RAM, but at the receiver it is not or your receiver is not able to recognize that I transmitted from transmitter a signal of RAM. Okay. So, you have to detect and correct the error also to protecting your information, to maintain the accuracy of your data that you transmitted from transmitter to receiver. This is achieved by including additional information such that channel encoder. So, that is why what I told you, you have to add some redundant parity check bits or additional bits information with the input message bits. Those can be helpful for providing, for achieving the error control coding in the communication. Further, in a data storage system, modulator, channel, demodulator can be thought of as writing unit, storage medium and reading unit. Further, what will happen in BSC? Binary symmetric channel, error occurs randomly, obviously. Such channel with random errors is known as random error channels, and codes developed for such errors are called random error control codes. If errors have a tendency to occur in a group or burst, the channel is a burst error control channel, a burst error channel. And coding technique for these burst error channel is called burst error control codes. So, these type of control codes we can implement here for burst error control. Okay. Now, the basic of in block codes we are coming. Block code means what? A block code is a set of words that has a well defined mathematical property or structure, and where each word is a sequence of fixed number of bits. The words belonging to a block code are called code words. Finally, जो आप जनरेट करोगे किसी कोड से वो क्या होगा? कोड वर्ड्स. ओके. सो क्या होता है इसका? हम देखें किसी सिस्टमेटिक कोड का मतलब. सो ब्लॉक कोड मान लो मैंने बोला n, k ब्लॉक कोड. It means I have to generate code words of n bits finally from the k information input bits. तो मैं क्या करूंगा? k information bits में कुछ additional bits को add करूंगा. Those are called parity bits, check bits, redundant bits or additional bits. So, now I am generating the code word of n bits, and that bit n is equal to क्या होगा? Information bits k plus additional bits of r. So, हम क्या करेंगे? हमारा फॉर्मेट कैसा होगा कोड वर्ड का? हमेशा ब्लॉक कोड में इंफॉर्मेशन बिट्स प्लस पैरिटी बिट्स. पहले इंफॉर्मेशन बिट्स आएंगे एज इट इज जो हमने ट्रांसमिट किए हैं, और बाद में पैरिटी बिट्स. सो जो n बिट का कोड वर्ड जनरेट करोगे, इन विच योर टोटल कोड वर्ड लेंथ will be equal to the length of your information bits plus length of your एडिशनल बिट्स और पैरिटी बिट्स और चेक बिट्स और रेडंडेंट, सब एक ही नाम। सो अ कोड वर्ड कंसिस्ट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन बिट दैट कैरी इंफॉर्मेशन एंड पैरिटी चेक बिट्स। दैट पैरिटी चेक बिट दैट कैरी नो इंफॉर्मेशन, उन्हें हमने क्यों जोड़ा है? फॉर अचीविंग द एरर कंट्रोल कोडिंग इन द सिस्टम। कोई इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं पैरिटी बिट्स में, but we have to achieve, we have to detect and correct the error, that is why we are adding the parity or check bits here. Okay. So, this is the, you can say, the form of our block code, and this is the systematic form. Systematic form means at firstly information bits are coming as it is, as the transmission bits, information bits, input message bits, and after that your parity bits will come. That is why this is called n bit systematic code word for a block code of n comma k. वही मैं यहाँ पे लिखा हूँ, I am writing in this PPT. What? A code whose code words have k information bits and are parity bits, has n bit code word and n is equal to k plus r. Such a code is referred as the n comma k block code, where n and k respectively, what it call, overall n क्या है, overall block code जो डिजाइन किया उसका block length, final code word का length, और k क्या है, information length of the code. So in n means overall block code की length और k is what, the length of information. The position of parity bit within the code word is quite arbitrary. They can be dispersed within the information bits or keep together and placed on either side of the information bits. So, in systematic what I told you, firstly information bits will come as it is, as the transmitted input bits, then parity bits will be there. So, this is the systematic code word format for a block code. A code word whose information bits are kept together so that these are, यदि साथ में रखो तो क्या होगा, these are readily identifiable, पहचान पाओगे, आइडेंटिफाई कर पाओगे, and this is called what, systematic form की initially information bits k will be there, after that r check bits. So this is called systematic form. Otherwise code word क्या होगा हमारा, non systematic होगा. Okay. Now for k bits 2 to the power k different words information bits will be there for n comma k, okay, block code. If we take the example 5 comma 4 block code, what will happen? So in 5 comma 4 block code, it means n कितना है यहाँ पे, n is 5, k is 4. It means 4 input information bit से 5 bit का code word block code मुझे generate करना है. So what we are having here, the code has 4 information bits, it means 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16. 16 input code words we are having for this code. And n is equal to क्या बताया था मैंने आपको, k plus r. n 5 है, ये 4 है, तो ये कितना बचा, r is equal to 1. तो 1 bit parity is required in this code. And parity bit is on right hand side of each code word, then it will be systematic form. It means जब भी code word डिजाइन होगा तो पहले 4 बिट आएंगी information bit की और एक कौन सी आएगी, parity bit आएगी. इस तरह से code word हमारा, मतलब 4 बिट मतलब 1 0 0 0 जो भी information बांटो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, then our parity bit like 1 और 0, इस तरह से वही लिखा है. Parity bit is in on right hand side of each code word and code will be systematic, otherwise it will be unsystematic. अब 5 bit word का code word generate हो रहा है, मतलब 2 to the power 5 total code words we can generate here, okay. So in which what 16 had 16 code word, 32 code words we can generate, these are possible. 16s are having odd parity and 16s are having even parity, okay. So in 5,4 block code enables some degree of error detection but no error detection. तो पैरिटी बिट जितनी कम होती है उतना एरर डिटेक्शन तो पॉसिबल, बिकॉज एरर डिटेक्शन इज ईजियर देन एरर करेक्शन. एरर डिटेक्शन इज पॉसिबल, इट विल बी ईजी, बट करेक्शन इज नॉट सो ईजी. सो 5,4 से हम कुछ एरर डिटेक्शन 1 बिट 2 बिट तक कर सकते हैं, बट वी कैन नॉट करेक्ट द एरर. सो 2 टू दी पावर, यदि हम देखें n कॉमा के ब्लॉक कोड्स की बात करें तो 2 टू दी पावर के कोड वर्ड्स हैविंग द रिक्वायर्ड स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ इन टर्म्स ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन बिट्स एंड 2 टू दी पावर n माइनस 2 टू दी पावर के रिडंडेंट वर्ड्स भी होंगे उसमें, जिन कोई जो किसी कोड स्ट्रक्चर में नहीं होंगे. Similarly, if we see the even parity 4,3 block code, so 4,3 means 2 to the power 3 8 input message are there. Okay, it means 2 to the power 4 code words we can design this block code from the 2 to the power 3, और इन दोनों का difference is equal to 8. That will be our redundant code words. Okay. That you have to keep in your mind and you have to understand here clearly. So, in this diagram you can see 4,3 3 bit word इनमें 002 देके 111, 4 bit word हमारे कोड वर्ड जनरेट होंगे तो कैसे होंगे 4,3. इट मीन्स क्या, कितना पैरिटी इसमें 1 बिट का, तो 000 में या तो पैरिटी में या लास्ट बिट इज व्हाट, दिस इज अवर पैरिटी बिट, या तो 0 ऐड होगा या 1 इन टर्म्स ऑफ पैरिटी. 001 तो 001 में या तो 0 ऐड होगा या 1. ऐसी अगली हर बिट्स के लिए दो कॉम्बिनेशन पैरिटी बिट, आइदर इट विल बी 0 और 1, बिकॉज सिंगल पैरिटी you can add in this 4,3 code because your parity bit is only 1 here. Similarly, you can see in every step this one. Now code words क्या होगा, यदि मैं बोलूँ 4,3 कौन सा, even parity. Even parity का मतलब क्या होता है, even parity means the number of ones should be even. So in these 4-bit code words we have to see कि कहां पर even number of ones है. तो even number of one पहले तो ये कोड वर्ड हो गया हमारा, दूसरे वाले में कि even number of ones कितने 1, that is not even, so ये कोड वर्ड नहीं होगा. फिर इन दोनों में आए, इसमें even number of ones है नहीं है, इसमें है दूसरे तो 0 0 1 1. तो you have to check whether the number of ones is even, those will be code words and remaining will be the redundant words. इसके बाद जो बचे इसमें वो रहेंगे. तो यदि 16 कोड वर्ड्स हम जनरेट कर सकते हैं तो 8 कोड वर्ड्स होंगे and remaining 8 will be the redundant words, जो मैंने आपको पहले बताया. Similarly, I am giving here from the example. Okay. So in this way we can determine from block codes some code words from the information bits and redundant words also respectively easily, but we should know the concept of block code, how you can take, what are the parameters, what is the condition, then you can take. So you have to understand about the block codes, its format, or you can say systematic form where your information bits and parity bits will come. Then you can determine from these possible code words, possible coding, code words and redundant words. It depends upon the your block code, whether it is even parity block code or odd parity block code. Very, very simple. These are the references that you can refer these books for study this topic. Okay. And thank you very much. I hope all things that I am explaining in this lecture, it is clear to all of you. Thank you very much.